If you're curious about neurofeedback, whether you're a clinician, an academic, or someone exploring it for personal use, it can be hard to know where to start. There's so much information out there. It's easy to get overwhelmed by equipment choices, training models, and theory-heavy courses that don't always translate to real-world use. Where do you start? That's why I created Neurofeedback 101. This course is built around one simple idea. You learn best by doing. Over 3 days, you'll get far more hands-on experience than any course I know of. During that time, you get exposure to brain mapping, multiple types of neurofeedback, and even some exposure to biofeedback and neurostimulation technology so you know what's really out there. We keep the classes small and personal. Each individual gets up to 5 training sessions, which I customize for you as you train. Every attendee finds that valuable, and it also helps everyone learn about training protocols and how to adapt them. We explore how to use neurofeedback with a range of issues, including anxiety, ADHD, sleep, mood, and more. You'll also learn how to explain neurofeedback, how it fits into a clinical setting, and how to make sense of all the equipment options without any sales pitch. Whether you're brand new or just looking to make sense of what's out there, Neurofeedback 101 gives you a solid foundation and knowledge to help you move forward with confidence. Thanks.